So to make the design, I have here the line, and then I will construct a plane on that. On that plane, and then when it's a bit problematic with the recording the thing, that should be there. And now I should be able to just design the holes in there. So as you see, I have just made on that plane, I will make this whole location of the hole, so 8 from the start, and then 6.2 diameter. That will be the holes I will going to make. And then of course I will just go very long. Doesn't matter because there's nothing else in the way. I can make a little fillet for the start. Doesn't matter what it will be at the end. So normally it will be fillet, of course. It's just to make it visual and easier for the screwing, because this will not be done in the CNC. And then I can start creating the thread, and I just can make that work. So after creating the thread, now I have to make this. Let's see, this is hard to see because the video editor is on top of it. Oh, record problem. Okay, I create the pattern, figure pattern. I can make it. And of course, I will use the features, and that is this one, this one, this one, and this one, I guess. Axis select, that hard, and because I cannot use the indexer at the moment, I just make it 4, so I will have 4 in one direction and 4 bolts in the other direction to hold it all together. So this will be the holder, and this is then the index plate. It's just the tapped holes, the holes for the indexing in there.
Voor meer video's over 3D printen en de gerelateerde onderwerpen zoals het slijpen, milling, alle CNC en dergelijke, ga naar www.patreon.com/elvinhaak. En hier zijn meer van mijn video's te vinden dan op YouTube, minder beperkingen en vaak ook maanden eerder ter beschikking voor de wat langere series. Ook zijn hier diverse gerelateerde downloads beschikbaar die bij de video's horen. Je kan ook kijken op Facebook, 3D Printer Beginners Nederland, Nix Reality wel aan het Octoprint, etc. Dat is een aparte pagina. Mijn homepage is www.elfiets.nl/3dprint, YouTube @el3dprint. En als je deze video's interessant en of leuk vindt, klik je op het duimpje en abonneer je of volg op de hoogte gehouden worden. Je kan altijd nog vragen stellen via de Facebookpagina of dus aan de onderkant van deze video's. Tot de volgende video.